So chapter 6, exercise 6.1. I'm showing you how to do the sums, okay? Question you see. In the figure, line A, B and CD intersect at O, okay? If AOC and BOE equal to 70 degree and BOD is 40 degree, find BOE, that means this angle you have to find out, and COE, this angle you have to find out, okay? So first of all, from the question you first of all you see which conditions are given, okay, and the sums you have to do seeing the diagram. See what is given. AB and CD are intersecting line. Clear? Now see which angles are given. BOD is given. Which angle? BOD is given 40 degree. So obviously AOC also 40 degree because this is vertically opposite angle. Clear? So AOC मिल गया. Now AOC plus BOE, it is given 70 degree. From this condition you can find the value of COE. How? Because AOC plus COE plus BOE equal to 180 degree. Okay. So from there you can find the angle COE. 180 degree minus this minus this. From there you can find the COE. Clear? Then what you have to find out? Reflex of COE. Reflex of COE. That means this angle you have to find out. Now this complete angle is 360 degree. So this 360 degree minus COE is the reflex of COE. So 360 minus COE is the reflex of COE. Okay. See this one. In the figure, line XY and MN intersect at O. Okay. POY, where POY, this is 90 degree. A is to B is given 2 is to 3. What you have to find? You have to find C. That means if you find B, then there is a relation between B and C, because this is a linear pair angle. Okay, so first of all you have to find B. From where? From this condition. Now A is to B is given 2 is to 3. So A is twice x, B is thrice x. A plus B is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, because this one is given 90 degree and this is a linear pair angle. So if it is 90 degree, then A plus B also 90 degree. From that relation, twice x plus thrice x is equal to 90 degree. So from there you can find the value of x. After that you can find the value of A and B. Clear? After getting the value of B, you can find a relation between B and C. Angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 minus angle B. Then you can find the value of C. Okay. See this one. In the figure, angle PQR equal to PRQ. That means this angle equal to this angle. This condition is given. Then prove that PQS equal to PRT. Now see, this equal to this is equal to 180 degree. That means it is a linear pair. That means this equal to this is a linear pair. Again from here, this equal to this is a linear pair. So comparing these two, you can write this equal to this. Clear? Comparing that one, you can find this equal to this. Okay. Now in place of PQR, if you put PRQ, it is given in the question, this angle equal to this angle. Then these two cancel. From there you can find this angle equal to this angle. Okay. This one you see. In figure, x plus y equal to w plus z. Then prove that AOB is a line. AOB. When AOB is a line? When it make 180 degree. That means BOC plus AOC. When it make 180 degree, then it is a straight line. So this condition is given, and if you add all the four angles, it is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So this condition, from this condition, in place of w plus z, you can put x plus y. So after calculation, you can find the value of x plus y. X is BOC, y is AOC. So these two equal to 180 degree. So this angle make a straight angle. That means AOB is a straight line. Okay. So all the sums, it is given to you now, all the this solutions. So all the sums you have to use the whatever you learn up to this, all the sums you have to use this, the linear pair angle, the transversal line, the rule of transversal line, these all you have to use. Okay. See this one. In figure, if AB parallel CD and APQ is equal to 50 degree and PRD is equal to 127 degree, find X and Y. This one is given, is a transversal. So if it is a transversal line, PQ is a transversal line, then X is equal to 50 degree, because X and this 50 degree is the alternate angle, and according to the transversal rule, alternate angles are equal. So X is equal to 50 degree also. Again, if you take AB and CD parallel line and PR is the transversal line, then APR equal to PRD. These two angle also equal, because these two angle are alternate interior angle. So from that you can find this relation, and if you put the values here, you can find the value of y. Okay.